Children, welcome back to our English classroom. Today we are going to discuss about two topics. Okay, the first one is the use of to be, and the second one is expression of opinion. So let's enter to the first topic, the use of to be. Mainly, you might have learned in your lower classes the different kinds or the different forms of be. So before I enter to that area, let us discuss what does it mean actually. Okay. So let's enter to be. To be, it is a subjective complement. It's a kind of verb which doesn't have or it doesn't have any actions or the meaning separately. Okay, it's a kind of verb. So the complement to be can be a noun. It can be a noun, means subject complement. Okay, noun group and adjective complement. Okay, or prepositional phrases. The verb to be can link. Okay, the verb to be can link. Okay, this to be is known as linking verb. What? Linking verb. Okay, so to be can link two nouns or pronouns. We know that. You know that. What do you mean by noun and pronoun? Okay, or a noun or pronouns and an adjective. I repeat once again, the verb to be. I told you that to be is a linking verb. It doesn't have any action or any separate meaning. Okay, so the verb to be can link two nouns or pronouns, or a noun or pronoun and an adjective. Okay, the be verbs are, what are the be verbs? The different forms of bees. That's what we are going to discuss the next one. Be verbs are am, are, is. In a simple way, we can say that is, am, are. Okay, the next one is was, were. Okay, look at here, am, are, is, was, were, been and being. Okay, then we only use be as to be. How we could use be as to be? Okay, so be verb means, what do you mean by be verb? Yes, it says the state of being. Okay, so now we are going to enter to the example. How to say or how to write by using be, and we can use instead of be the different forms of be. Okay, so let's start. We are going to enter to discuss about the different forms of the be. Okay, so basically we already learned about the first person, second person and third person. So what are the forms of be we are normally using along with this persons? First, second and third. This is the first person, that is I am. Then you are. This is the second person. One more is the we are. Okay, the next one is he. This is the third person. He is in the case of simple present tense, and was in the case of past tense. Okay, simple present tense or present tense you can say, no problem. Okay, the next one is she also, we are using the form of, instead of be we are using is, and was in the past tense. Okay, the next one is it we are using simple present tense, the form of be is, and the next one is was in the case of past past tense. Okay, the next one is they. Okay, they are. We are using they are in simple sentence and were in past tense. Okay. Next, additional verbs are been, will be. Okay. So we can use the verbs. We can use the verbs instead of be. So this is known as the forms of be. Okay. We are using mainly in English grammar. Now we are going to enter to the next one is to make the sentence with these forms. I wrote 3 sentences on the board. You may please listen carefully the different forms of be. Okay. I'm going to read out the sentence. You may please listen very carefully the noun. According to noun case, I am a pilot. I am a pilot. The next one is the first person is I, subject complement, okay, noun complement. The next one is you. You will be a king. Listen. You will be a king. The third one is we. We were children. We were children. Okay. Then the next one is we are going to discuss about the use, means how to use be forms in the case of an adjective. Do you know what is an adjective? Yes, adjective describes noun, the qualities. Okay. So next we are going to discuss about the adjective complement. The first one is Ismail is famous according to the adjective case. Or Tina is famous. Tina. Tina means why Tina is, it comes. Because Tina, you can use Tina. Instead of Tina, you can use she. So obviously along with the she, what will come? Is. She is famous. Do you understand? The next one is she will be surprised. And they were happy. They were happy. They were happy. They were happy. So these are the forms of be we are using in different context. Okay, now we discussed about how we can use the form of be in the case of noun and adjective. Okay, I hope you understand different kinds of or different forms of be. Okay, next we are going to discuss about the expression of opinion. So let's go to the next second topic of the day. Now we are going to enter to our second topic, that is opinion. How to say opinion, how to express your opinion in front of others. Okay, so we have to use different kinds of tones. Can you please tell me one example for this? So Shilpa ma'am is always make you in trouble for asking questions, so I don't want to ask you again and again because you will be getting bored. Okay, so next we are going to discuss about the opinion. Okay, according to my point of view, I'm going to tell you. Okay, so listen to the board. The first one is opinion means, what do you mean by opinion? Can you please give me? Yes, this is a kind of point of view. It's the view or the judgment. What is it? It's a kind of view or the judgment. So from this point of view, we can understand that always opinion treated as the second person narrative. Okay, and useful expressions to express your opinion. You have different kinds, different ways to express your opinion. That's what I'm going to discuss here. Just listen me. You can say your opinion with, in my opinion, according to your point of view. If You can express, yes, in my opinion, you should not be done like that. Example. Okay. The next one is to my mind. What my mind is saying. So you can use that to my mind says what. Next one is from my point of view. So most of the times opinion you can use in the case of the debate competitions. Okay, if there is any debate conversation, it's a kind of conversations and discussions. So mainly we are using different kinds of opinion. Okay, so from my point of view, if you want to express your point of view, then you can say that yes, according to me, or from my point of view. Okay, the next one is my view. So everything is interrelated. One is related to the another. Okay, the next one is I would say that. If you want to express anything, you can use in a different tone. Okay, the next one is I have the feeling that. If it is ugly or sad or the happiness, you may have to use this kind of feelings. Okay, so it's depend upon your mood. Okay, next one is I don't agree. If you are disagree with any point of view, you can say that, okay, I don't agree with your point of view. Okay, next one is he or she is wrong. What? He or she is wrong. What she said, she is utterly wrong. Okay, the next one is I guess that. Yes, I guess that sometimes she might be done wrongly. Okay, so these are the opinion what I preferred for you can use in a different kinds of occasions. Okay, so what we want to discuss here, yes, opinion that you can see in the newspaper report. That's what we want to discuss. Okay, don't forget about the newspaper report. Most of the reports are based on the opinion. So it says that in the newspaper report you can see that second person narrative. So I hope you understand this module. Now I'm going to wind up the session. Till then, bye.